Specifics of the CSEP CPT insurance by Caleb Wark. What is insurance? So I don't know about everybody else, but for me, when I was a kid, I always heard the term insurance from my parents, along the lines of, when you're older, you'll have to pay insurance. When you get a vehicle, you'll have to pay insurance. So for me, it was just the same as being an adult. Insurance meant you're an adult. When I was 16 and I got a vehicle, I still didn't understand insurance. I saw money coming out of my bank account every month, and I was like, well, that's odd. And I did not realize what insurance actually did. I just saw it as almost a chore, almost just a bill. So insurance, as per the Oxford Dictionary, a practice or arrangement by which a company or government agency provides a guarantee of compensation for specified loss, damage, illness, or death in return for payment of a premium. So the premium is that monthly fee that was taken in my account each month that I was confused by as a 16-year-old. As I got older, 18, 20, I understood what insurance did and how it was so valuable. What does insurance do? So as we just talked about, its aim is to reduce the financial uncertainty and make accidental loss manageable. It does this substituting payment of a small known fee, an insurance premium, to a professional insurer in exchange for the assumption of risk at a large loss and a promise to pay in the event of such a loss. So it's a safety net. It's a risk management tool that we can use as personal trainers and that we have been using if you have a vehicle or own a house or anything. It's that safety net that we can do things and not feel the massive stress of being held responsible for tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, potentially even millions of dollars hanging over our heads. So it really allows us to act and do things more stress-free, really. Do you need it as a certified personal trainer? Yes, you do. You may be working for a gym after this, which they could have a group policy or specific needs that you need to get, but yes, you do need it as a personal trainer. For those things, if you are going out in your own business or anything, if a client falls while they're working out, or they trip over something, and they want to claim negligence against you, you need to have professional liability. You need general liability, property damage, everything. If you break something in the gym that you're contracting out of, you need to be covered for that. You don't want to be held responsible for a $20,000 piece of equipment when you don't have that in your account, because we're just starting out as personal trainers. So it's a very necessary thing as personal trainers. How do you get insurance as a personal trainer? So there's nothing really to rewrite the wheel here with getting insurance. There's no secret code or anything. They have insurance companies that will insure personal trainers who are correctly certified, have all the paperwork in order, and are ready to either have a business or work with a gym. There are a whole bunch of companies that will do it. A few of them I have listed here: Net Insurance, Zen Insurance. We have the ones in our Moodle as well. At the end of the insurance lesson in there, those are also insurance companies that have packages listed just on their website that you can compare policies to and figure out which ones might work best for you, which ones might work for your company that you're starting, or anything along those lines. Running it back. So short lesson, but good, hopefully. Insurance is a necessary thing for managing our potential risk. Again, it's a risk management tool. While we work as personal trainers, it allows us to have zero stress about loss and just focus on our job. So again, it's that risk management, and allows us to focus on doing the best job that we can and not having to worry necessarily about, okay, I'm not going to have this specific because this piece of equipment because it does this and it doesn't like to break or something like that. It allows us to just do our job well and do it to the best of our abilities. So just to end here, a couple questions that we should all think about and maybe write down here. As a certified personal trainer, what do you look for in a policy? Do you have certain things that stick out to you? Do you have certain things that you want to have? more of? Do you want a lower premium, a higher deductible, or a higher premium and a lower deductible? Those are often inverse of each other. Do you want more coverage? With more coverage, obviously the costs of premium and deductible are probably going to be higher. Do you need more coverage? And specifically, why do you value that? Why do you think you need those things or know you need those things? Thank you guys very much.